Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Bandsaw Basics, starring my good buddy here, Bandsaw Billy. He'll be doing all the cutting today, and I'll be doing all the pushing. Before we get into this, I just want to remind everybody that we always worry about safety around here. Want to protect our eyes as well as our fingers. Make sure the machine's plugged in so that I can do the cutting. You don't want to stick your fingers too close to the blade. It's good to have a push stick. I actually have a little push stick here that I could actually use today. It's good to have a push stick with you so that don't get your fingers too close. Today, I heard Kenny Lofton's going to be in town about an hour away from me on Friday. He was one of my favorite players when I was a kid on the Indians. So what I plan to do today is I want to cut out Chief Wahoo. And I want to cut out a jersey with Kenny Lofton's name on it. So, I see here. I'm going to set that there. Whoop. As always, I end up, when I do the finished project, I have an Instagram called Half Finished Projects. You can check out any work that I do there when I complete the project. I call them completed projects, not finished projects, because that's the joke. So, you can get a good view of my cuts. Let's get into this. Yeah, I'd like to try to meet Kenny Lofton if I can. That'd be awesome. I'm going to see if I can get this done in the next 4 days. Today is 7 o'clock Sunday. There. Alright, let's hit this jersey. This is a very basic cut. I will sand everything down. In the worst case scenario, I don't end up getting to them and I just have an awesome little cheap Wahoo Kenny Lofton project that I could either sell or keep for myself. So there. Whoa, I almost just knocked over my phone. There's the jersey. I'll zoom out and give you a better look at it. Boop. Yep. So this big chunk of wood I'll save for something. This will go in the scrap. Be used for a future project possibly. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be a super easy cut. I'm hoping that just falls away if I keep cutting because it's so thin. No, that little piece right there is going to interfere. I need to get me a pair of tweezers. That's what I mean by don't try to pull this stuff out while the blade's moving. Turn it off. You'd rather not cut yourself. It can be an annoyance sometimes, especially when you're getting into hard to reach places. Bam. See, I can't get it directly. I kind of like, see how I'm going at angles and slowly shaving this down to where I want it to be. Because again, I'm going to hit everything with a sander. I got a neat little sanding tool. I'll have to show it in one of these episodes here. Yeah, that was a very basic cut today. Very simple. There's Chief Wahoo. Wow, that was way quicker than I expected it to be. Here is the base that I'm going to make for it, and the idea is, see how well it'll sit. Whoop. See if I can get it sitting like this since it wants to roll. There we go. And that's the idea, boys and girls. Chief Wahoo on a Kenny Lofton jersey. And hopefully I will be able to meet him on Friday. He'll be, can't remember what town, but he's going to be in northern Ohio up past Cleveland. About an hour away from me. From 4 to 8. So hopefully, I'd like to take my son to meet him. Made it to the World Series twice. Was a heck of an outfielder. One of my favorite players growing up. So, thank you all so much for tuning in and watching another episode of Bandsaw Basics. Your viewership is appreciated. I will now, off camera, I will take one of these shop vacs and I will vacuum the inside and all around here. So, remember, a clean shop is a happy shop. If you have children, what I've been told is I like to get my child into this. Sometimes I'll cut him a project for him to paint, and we do projects. We'll paint together, and the best toy for a child is an active adult. So if you have a child in your life, be the active adult in your life, in his or her life. You know what I'm saying? So I try to be the best dad that I can be. So after I heard that, I try to be the best toy in my child's life. I just try to be an active adult, and yeah, try to stay positive out there. God bless everybody.